again with this lesson. I want to add here a plan. It will help me from object and add mesh plan. I can make this plan more bigger using scale, this scale, like that. And I will take my mug up here. And here I will make two windows. The first window, it will be for modeling, and the second, it will be here for render. So I will come here. Can you see these two arrows, one up and one down? And I will right click. Sorry. I will right click, and here I will use vertical split. Now I can divide this workspace into two. And here I will use this workspace for camera. Now I can see the camera. Here's the view of this camera. And I will click in button of Z and I will choose render. Now I can see the render. I can go for rendering here and I can choose cycle. Cycles, it will more professional. It will give me a good view. Maybe I can make this cup more rotation like that. Yeah, it will be good. Okay. Now I want to add material. Maybe I can add material from here, but more professional to add the material from shading. Here, shading, and I can make new material from here. It will give me this view. I can see this is like this, no problem. But here it will be more professional and I can make a summary for my material. For example, if I want to make a material for glass, I can right click here and I can choose add. From add, I can choose shader. After that, I can see these materials. For example, I can take this glass here and I will zoom in and I will connect this green point of BSDF here in service. It will be like that. As you can see here, maybe I can go for layout and I can see the render of the material giving me professional glass. So I must understand the quality and what is the material that I will use. For example, I can make material with a photo. I can make material for plastic. I can make material for marble. I can make material for whatever. I can choose the material and I can make material like that. Here, my render, it is giving me this noise. I can choose this my light. I can here, this is my power, and here max. So radius of the light, I can make the radius 2, for example. Okay, and here for material, I can, for this material, I can make my IOR very high. For example, it will be 5 like that. So it will give me more professional material and in the same time, the noise, it will be good. I will not see noise here, as you can see. Okay. So it will be important to understand how to build your material, how to build your scene. You must draw your scene more professional. For example, I will go back for this render. Here it is using CPU. I can use GPU device. Okay, it will be more quickly, it will be more better, quick, faster. And I will go back for material and I will make the material 10. For example, it will make noise going, it will finish the noise, and maybe I can return back for the light. I can make radius 5 also. Can you see the shadow become more small and in the same time more better? Here, this is my watt, is the power of the light. I can make this 2000 watt. So it will make the lighting, it will give me lighting, good light here in the scene. Thank you very much. And I hope to meet you in the next session.